Hello guys. Hello Zik. Tools. Perfect. Alright. Let me turn on about chat. How's it going guys? So today I'm gonna work on some animations for this character. I like struggling to figure it out the last time. So the new idea is you have two objects, gun and its and the hand, and then add a modifier to the gun. Let me quick right here. I need to change this to actually be weapon root. This will work fine. Oh, I need to update that. Something is moving. Okay. So, the fix for that is, let me go back to object, tab. This one should be, let me make a new window first. That'd be cool if I could do one here. Anyways, I just need the weapon names. Okay, so vent L, vent R, battery and battery chamber. These should already have the names. Battery chamber. Oh, got wrong. Double check what. I have to get these names exact. Child of the root. Yep. This should be a child of the chamber. Now that animation isn't playing properly. Oh, something. Oh. That was fine a day ago, what the heck? Oh, I have to double check something here. Go to vertex groups. Go to battery chamber. Oh, maybe I messed up something here. Oh, possibly I should update these. I don't think so, but I go back to this one. This has no bone. I can't look on. It's a good thing. Not sure why this is acting up now. Like they hate when I stream. So whenever you rename a bone to a vertex group, it should just work. Let's see. Relations, parent. Relations. Not assigned to any one code. I have it working fine over here in Godot. That's us tripping. I think I saved that one. Let's see. I don't. It's working fine here. I did set it already. Open this. Here it is. Took a look properly. Yeah. It's all working fine here. Not sure what's going on with that. That's just a placeholder out there. Good. So why is this being stupid? Been on regular. Crazy. Oh no, it wants to work. Am I crazy? Oh no, it's still not. That isn't. Make sure. Most these meshes aren't moving. this is called. What is battery and was fine before. Hey, creative. How's it going? I had this thing working fine earlier, and then all of a sudden it's working now. This cartridge here, I'm gonna go in rendered mode. This piece here is supposed to stay here, but all of us, look, I have it working fine here. See again? So this would be the view. But for some reason in Blender it's been dumb. Not sure why. All of us, it wasn't doing that before, by the way. Then I opened it just now. Anyways, could always figure it out. Let's just do some animation. So I want to do a firing and a reload. Or I should do a reload first. But the reload needs this thing to be working though. Oh boy. See any reason why that's not working? Go to object mode. Frame 0. Let's see. Edit mode. Are these for intern relative weights? Okay. Not sure if that does anything, but handle. Oh, I need to get rid of the handle. I'm gonna select it. Hey, Easy. How's it going? How you guys doing? Well, let me do this thing. I need to get rid of the nozzle. Let's see your weapon root. Look, see, that's the whole thing. Except those parts. So I wanted these to be separate so I could open them whenever the laser overheat. What is going on? Alright, let me go back in close mode. Maybe I need to record where they are. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's annoying, man. I've tried out a lot of ways. Are you using Godot too? Or something else? Or a different engine? But I got this working now, but just being dumb right now. Look, it's working fine here. So I have these vents on the sides. Those don't want to update in Blender for some reason, but they're updating here. And what else? The cartridge here. This thing can open, and it has a battery in it. Cause it's a laser. It's not a gun. So let me move this over so I can see there. Alright, so I gotta figure this out somehow. Let me stop this one. Then go to you know, I'm gonna restart Blender maybe. Let's quit without saving. Not save. Then we open it up back again. That Blender is weird. This thing's weird sometimes. It freezes up. I've been using Blender for years, but this thing I'm doing is kind of a different thing I've never actually used that much. Alright, let me just play this. See, now it works. What the frick? That was weird. There, it's working. So, see, that wasn't me, right? That was just Blender being weird. Alright, so Maybe it was me. Hold on, let me double check something real quick. Out. Let me stop this real quick. And then tab into. I wanna see if I was messing up something with the bones. Well, this itself, I mean. This is where I was messing up. Vertex group. Root. That is strange. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna leave that. I think it's something to do with it. Which determines influence of modifier per point. Interesting. Maybe that was the issue there. I don't need to put that, but I'll leave it. Alright, so let's do another animation. Where's the window? Make this the I need a. Let's do the reload first. Not really a reload, but oops. Reload. Yeah, let's call it reload. Alright, so should have just duplicated that. Hold on. Insert a keyframe here. Back to camera view. Select all. Web. All of those. Come on. Converted.
Nice.
Ooh, what's that? So this is a Bardock. So thanks for the seed. Alright, so I'm gonna work on the reload now. So select all of these, insert a keyframe, location rotation scale. I do scale too, but I don't need to because I'm not really scaling anything. Alright, how's reload gonna look? First I wanna twist this sideways. Let me move over to 10 for now. Turn on other key. Rotate this on Y. That. Then I want to release my hand here. Grab this hand. Go vertical. Drag it out here. So I want to grab the top of the gun with this hand. I keep saying gun, but it's not really a gun. I'm gonna rotate there and carry him over. Making a gun animation YouTube channel. I mean, if you're good at it, yes. I'm not that good at it, so I don't wanna like try to attempt it. Grab these bones here. The rig bone, so I could say rotate on X. No, they don't work. Oh my god. I need to fix that. Yeah, they're actually not working. Let me open these up. Everything's broken. Oops, on X. On rotate and I probably should pull it back to me, right? Like this. Grab on Y. Oh, not that one. Grab on Y. I want to lean it a certain direction so you could see what I'm pulling out. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but rotate on E. Something like that. I could do it this way. Yeah, that makes more sense. Then grab this guy there. I hear you. I'm thinking I should put it back on the hand. On the bar, the hand bar, that thing there. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Yeah, I designed the guns enough to live with the bad design. That's stupid. Oh god. Hold on. Bring this back. This. I want it to look like I'm still holding it. Can't see it there. Alright, now I want to take this hand and open this right here. Take my finger right. Rotate on it. Put there. Alright, that should be good. Mark all scene. Our locations. Then I want to open it. So let's select this guy. Battery chamber. Rotate on Z. That. And then make the hand go out with it as well. Gotta make it make sense though. Insert all of those. So let's see how that looks. So I want to pull out that piece and put it back in. Oh, I thought my audio wasn't working. That problem yesterday. So right here, I want it to wait for a few seconds. So I could set this it here. Copy. I'm gonna polish it up after I do it. Alright. So now, copy this one again. Paste. Here now, I wanna pull it out. You're gonna first grab this guy. Here with the hand. Open these. I need to fix this finger thing. Rotate. Let me insert all the keyframes for that, even though I'm not good with that yet. Right. I'm gonna mess with all this stuff up here when I'm done. Let me go one more. Good. Copy this. Then pull it up. Let me drag battery. Grab on. Put it all the way back there. Then bring the hand back with me. To make it look believable. I don't know why I had made that. I have a constraint on this thing so it doesn't go down. This guy. Oh, I didn't. I took it off. Alright. Pull it out there. Oh yeah, I can't do that. Or I bring it back to about here. This back up to it. Why? Not that. Don't have to worry how the back looks. No, it looks terrible, but that's off camera. Let me see how it look on camera. It doesn't look abnormal at all. Insert all the keyframes for this one here. See how that looks. Kinda stiff, but we're gonna work on that. I want to get it off screen and then on. Alright, so 1 over. Let's get it off screen here. Just move it back. Grab my. Let's do an unnatural grab. Grab it and drag it off like that. Maybe throw some rotations on it. Dang it. Alright. Third all key here. All I want to do is reverse it. Know what I didn't do? Save. Alright, so see how it looks on camera. A bit too fast. Alright, we need to stretch that bit out. Come back here. This and this. Further. I'm wondering if I should tie the hands to the I don't know. Doesn't look right. The way this down to this part. Could change the timing, but alright, let's work that. Where's the hand? Alright. At all. Move there's a Y and Z. Alright. It looks still a bit fast though. Not really. A little bit, but not much. But there's a system in YouTube where you only get paid after you make like $100 or something. And I'm not really there yet. So. Real. Alright. So now I want to reverse it. So I want to just basically copy all of this. Let's speed it up a little bit. Let's change this to 100 frames. I think I could copy and paste everything. Just A, just A. Copy, control. Oh no, that's to invert. Okay. Guess I'm copying this over. Yeah, I want this frame to wait a little bit. So let's copy here. This one. This go. I don't think I need to even mess with it. Nice. Alright. And I need this one. Oh, I could change up here. Let him slap it shut. So right as I do this, right here, delete this bit. Let him slap it shut. So let's go back here now. Open up the fingers. I really need to set up the constraints on these fingers. Rotate on X. Multiplayer. Oh man. I'm not that good at multiplayer myself, bro. But it's pinky up. Not that good at multiplayer. But I want to learn it though. I did make some example projects before. Just trying it out. It's pretty easy now though. And not that's understating it, but not that it's easier, it's simpler to do multiplayer. Godot does have a whole thing that makes it simple. Basically just, not even with code, you just select what you want to transfer over. Don't look weird. Alright, then I could grab this guy here. Alright, and that's that. Not perfect, but it lets. Add all and I want to push it in and then copy that last frame. Hey Jack, how's it going? Oh boy. You go to review. Let's see how this looks so far. I know it's stiff, but I'm gonna work on it. All to do these crazy stuff up here. Look at that. Oh my god. What a mess. I could hide. I'm gonna hide most of it though. Like scale, for example. Wish there was a way to filter. I think there is, but hidden. Do not show hidden. Alright, so now I just want to push it in back now. Let's go to the last frame. We'll just copy this. Actually, no, I can't. Pause. The hands was at a weird spot. So let's rotate this back in. I could just copy it. Let's copy this one. Copy these guys here. Okay. Drop them right 100. I need to do the hands. I'm good. Not on Twitch. I tried the other day, but it was a mess. So I came off and came back to YouTube. I don't know why. It feels weird over there. It's like I'm in a desert or something. But it's just because I don't really have any followers over there. No one over there. Alright, so I also need to copy. You know what? Let me just copy everything from here because that's literally the first frame. Just copy that. Let's select all. Copy this. Paste here. See how that transition looks. I mean, I gotta work on it. Alright, now we need to do some what do you call it? Graph editor. Graph edit. So let me close up which one? Close this one. Let's do that. Alright, let's select all grass. This is messy. But I only need, let's start with the hands for now. This part would hide a few. Hide the skip. Yeah, this looks. Alright, I needed to overshoot. So let's see, where is the those? Add a W as well. Which one is this? This one. So I could stretch it out so it's faster or slow. Well, faster. That looks. Yeah, that's faster. Up a bit. Or. Oh, it's one frame. That sucks. Could get rid of this one. Alright, man. See ya. Oh wait, I'm missing a whole bunch of chat. Oh, okay. What's your I don't know if you're still here, but what's your Twitch? I'll follow you if anything. Alright, let's reset this part. And I don't like how it looks. Need to offset a few stuff. Whoops. Oh, I gotta fix that bit of the hand. How do I make a multiplayer? That's a long answer, man. I would have to make a video or something else on it. You need something called servers, or you could do peer-to-peer, but that's its own problems. If you're doing a serious project. Alright, let me fix it. Because it's driving me crazy. The hand going back is terrible. Need to insert a frame right around here. Give it some speed. Look to. Oh, I think it is located. So all of these. Now gotta move the X, I believe. That's put that there. Doesn't look weird. I need to give it more bounce. Oh, this. Was stuck there the whole time. Oh, that's a long delay. Alright, let's see. So whenever let's look at the animation. Right when I'm pulling it out, I want it to drag back a little bit. Here. Is the edge. That. Nice. This word up. Nice. Like that. Alright, when I push it in now, I wanna like rock the gun whenever I wanna rock it whenever I do it. So left, Right. Let me grab the location real quick. X. Right around here. By the way. That doesn't look right. Seems a bit stiff when it's turning. I think I know how to fix it. Right here. Bring it. Oh, that's grab the rotation. That is way too stiff. I wanted to overshoot. That's wrong. X or Y? Good one. Oh, that's a bit softer. So I really don't. These are different. Thing is, I have to update all the other keyframes because this is using parenting. Alright, let's work with that for now. Even though I don't like the end of it. Let's go to the end. Something's bothering me with this little piece. Yeah, don't slap it in good. Hold on, let me... Alright, let's pause for a sec. I need to set up these constraints for the fingers. They're really annoying. So, go to... add a bone... Not that one. This one. Add a copy rotation. Target rig. What's that called? Pinky. Pinky R. Oh no, it's the control. What did I call it? Double check. Oh, pinky roll. Right, pinky roll. That's the left one. And then the right one is somewhere. And these other bones need to copy them as well. I'm copying the world space for the first one. Think it. Ish. Pinky one. And forward turn. See if this works. For a sec. You don't. Not working. God. Oh wait. Only the X. Oh. Oops. Like it. Same thing for this guy. Just type it in. Pinky. Space and space. Might not even be right, but actually this is what's wrong here. So cool. Fine. I need to do that with 9 more fingers. Kill me. Wish there's a way that could just like that and just rotate. I don't just throw them on and then worry about them off. I should have did this from the beginning, by the way. Send them till the okay. PC. My game development PC. Not really. It's just a game in the PC. Just call it game development. I have a lot of crazy. Gotta come back and fix all this stuff. I thought I wouldn't need it, but it's kinda annoying to work with the fingers every time instead of having the one bone doing. But I'll get for skipping stuff. That is makes sense. So whenever I come back to a finger, I just starting back. Copy. Roll L. I think that. Oh, world space. It's the same. Actually, it should not be. Hold on, let me double check. Probably not the right spot. Let me try local with parent. So that looks. That's smart. And let's do this one quickly. One and add local repair local. Oh, it's gonna. All right. Name off track. Chill vibes and relax. Here you go. Just a random channel I'm just playing. It's stream safe background music. Where's the chat? The chat is gone. Okay. So gonna make this sum 2 left. Then local this. Okay. Do these next. What's this? Index. Oh wait, no. Index row. And then add. Pretty sure it's add, but alright, I'm gonna leave those for now. Save. Always come back to them. Alright, let me fix the last animation. Then okay, go back to view. Yeah, the last bit I wanna fix right here. Notice that oh, it just closes while I'm going back. I want to delete it. So grab this guy. These guys forward a bit. Grab on. Maybe I have to get more than 100 frames. The 120. Ooh, grab on Y. That, oh shoot, that's rotation. Oh yeah, that. Still a bit quick for me. Grab on. Nice. A little bit better. Let me go over a little more. Go right there. Look. Remember, it's gonna be like this, so you won't really see much going on. Nice. I like that. Oh, when I push it into, I should make it like bounce. What do you think? Let's see how that looks. Go to location. Right there. Wherever that is. Here. Could do something like that. This one. Yeah, it looks here. See that? That looks. It's a bit on the off. It's on the offset. Move it. Right, weird happens. There's a weird delay, but see you back here. Oh, could make it delay a little longer too. Does it look fine? Like right when I push it in. Right here. Oh, it wants to go back. There you go. Would push it out some. Ooh. The heck? That contribute. Oh, that looks fine, right? For the fire, I just want it to shake though. So I'm gonna do that now. So let's save this. Looks deep enough. I don't want to spend too much time on it. On animation. Alright, next animation is here to action. Good. Go to idle now. I'll copy this one. Call this fire. Firing. We could delete all these. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here now is let's put a start and an end. Maybe at 50 or 40, I mean. Need another window for the timeline. Do 40. And let's end the frames here. Oh dang, everything's selected. Copy paste. I'm gonna use a noise modifier for this. Have everything selected or not? Actually, no, I just need it for the weapon. This one bone, I think, or not actually. Alright, let's do the one bone. So first, let's. Alright, I got set up. Select. Where is it? Oh, derpy both. I need both X and Z. X and so. Oh. Then pull up some modifiers. Where are they? Am I on the wrong screen? Probably. I don't think I am. Oh, I didn't have it selected. Nice. That's way too high, so let's scale it down. I have to just use Oh, I gotta offset it maybe. Just grab one and dang, that's a one should I... Oh, here it is. There. That is violent. I need to scale it. And for this one, try to apply it. Oh, but oh, those two 0.02 maybe, and this one 0.20. No, that's more like it. Guessing I might have to bake this. I could just insert. Okay. Alright, select all. I'm gonna bake all of these guys in. Go to those. Bake it. So from 1 to 40, visual key and the selected bones. I selected all of them. Bake. Oh, the food. I could remove the mother. Well, it's gone in it. That's my fire animation. I don't need a skill. Let's find. Oh, selected. We'll just delete them. Just delete. Right. I wonder what the size of this is. These frames are on. Right. Now we need a. Oh, I need to rename this one to fire. Forgot I didn't override. So let me go to actions, fire. That one. Oops. Fire in. I double check that. I could rename this one to fire. Fire. Save. Check out Blender, what's going on. I mean Godot, what's going on over there. See what we got. Got idle. That. Fine. Uh-oh. One thing I need. Go back to I didn't even save the fire. Go back to idle. Oh, that sucks. So whatever the biggest animation is, I have to make the timeline that size. Put that trim. And one for that. Idle. Let's cut it from the first person. Check out reload. Nice. Beautiful. And I would go back to the idle. Firing. Still firing look like. Uh-oh. I need to remove the dang it, I forgot about that. Because the bone is actually not parented, it's just a constraint to it. So whenever I bake, I have to remove the constraint. It looks acting up there. Alright. Go back on the firing. It was like that. So, to remove the... Which... Know what I should do? Let's only bake the text, man. Let's rebake this. Delete. Open up back the firing. Let's only select the and insert one frame. And okay, a second. Oh, interesting. For this idle. Maybe it's a bad idea to do this. Alright, let's not have a firing. Let's just I could just animate that in Godot. Shake the whole character instead. That's basically what I'm trying to do here. So no firing animation. Let's delete that one. But I do need what do you call it? EVA forward and a walk-in too, maybe. So let me copy this idle. Make a walk-in. Walk-in was the favorite. Alright, so let's delete this guy. For all of them. Delete. Okay. I was too far zoomed out. Alright, so for the walk-in, let me just use 50 frames. Insert over here. Paste. I'll leave that there. So I wish there was a way I could like let it restart at the last frame. I think there is, but I just don't know how to do it without changing the timeline amount. Oh. Alright, so what do I want to walk to look like? So right about here or in the middle maybe. Alright, let's put it in the middle. And move this weapon to the other side. That not too much. Let me see. Here. There's the frame for that one. Location. Got more to do. Gravitation. Right here. I want to rotate it on a little bit. Here the key. This one I want it to be custom. Insert the key. And then I want to duplicate that one. This. Maybe I did it backwards. I think this should. This. Third. This one. That looks much. I gotta do this every time, so now I have to put it back at 1/3 when I'm. I'll also need to change its key position right here. Want it to be low. Grab on Z. Here I don't have to duplicate it, so a little bit. A bit too much maybe. Alright, let's move this over back. Just get away with that, but did earlier walk. Alright, let's mess with this. Patient. I want to mess with it. Right. This is want a little more. Why? If that makes sense. Your modifier. Not Actually, I should have that on there. Right click. Oh, that make it look terrible. Alright, so let me select these over curve on that. Make it scale it, maybe scale on that. There you go. That's much better. We scale it down now. Right. I could bake, well, not bake, apply them. Just select all, apply location. That's it. Oh, that would make it up. Oh, I think I could do visual keys. So, cloud. Anyways, visual location. Dang it. That's not right. Hold on. How do I apply this thing? I guess I have to do here. That worked. I don't know what's going on there. Let's not do that. Why is it doing that? Exactly, it's dumb. Alright, so the only solution here is to grab this, or nope. Look, these guys. That. For this one, I want this to repeat, but I don't know why it doesn't want to do it. Exactly. Oh no, it works. The same thing. Oh boy. Oh, it's because I scaled it. Probably. I would have to do instead. Try to skip. Let's set it offset now. That keyframe right here. What's going on with it? I'm gonna do it the normal way. Copy these. Copy. Select this guy back. Click all these. Looks half decent. Weird delay here. Alright. Oh, for each frame, let's select all of these. Insert. Yeah. Ooh, the snapping is so annoying sometimes. Alright, fine. Everything except this last one. I kinda wanna see where this one. Click inverse. Not your sense. Looking at most of these aren't even. Might have to bake this or not. Doesn't seem to be updated. Oh, I'm using the wrong thing. So select invert again. Back to this. First grab visual that thing again. Oh my gosh, that is a 9. What it's doing is it's copying the guns plus its frame off. That causes it to not be hooked. So if I come on to here, tell this, well, this guy, remove its constraint. For this, goes right back. So that looks without. I kinda need it to be. Weird. The back one doesn't even have in it. Alright. Let's do these. Insert. Let me turn these off. This one. Not that good, but so bad.
Nice.
Good soup. Alright, let's go to I want to save this as a call it. I'm wondering if I delete all of this. Oh, let me try that out. Godot is funny. Sometimes it has cool features and I don't even know. So let's delete all of these, right? So let's select X frames. I need to turn these back on. Just got messed up. I deleted it. Let's undo that for a second. First frame. Dirt. I should hope. Did I break? Sure, man, Blender is a piece of work sometimes. Why is it doing that? I have to literally move this back. Everyone. Really? Grab on that. More kind of like it. Yeah, so what I want to try is see if Godot actually imports this without the keyframes on. So the keyframe is only on the gun's bone. Double check. Alright, let's do the walk set. Be fun if it works. Hopefully it would work. Just wanted to make sure it's not gonna work. Look at that. So the bones are just in their default position. Alright, had to check. Actually needed to bake. So let's bake. Pose. Alright. Animation. Bake. Let's override current action. Don't think I should. That's the actual gun. Clear appearance, clear constraint. Maybe that's gonna piss me off, but let's. I did the trick. Alright. Find it. Let me change that to be a loop in animation. A loop. Weird. Oh, it is kind of weird. Let me redo that bit. That looks. Let's try this again. Right. Works better than I thought it would. Look at it from the player view. Yes. So the firing animation, I might have to just use a static. I should add one. Let's go back here. Save this. Here's the walking instead. So back on idle. Just duplicate this guy. Call it firing. It's just gonna be a static thing because I'm gonna animate camera. Sure, man. Oh. Perfect. Don't know why. Oh, that makes sense. Alright, so just that frame. Oh. Have a firing. That's just a static pointing. Right. Alright, I'm gonna animate something else, but I'm gonna save this as a different project. So first, save as a different. So go into tools, mining laser, mining tool. I'll call this mining tool. Then this backspace all stuff that I did. On. Need my constraints back. Not really, but oh shoot. Open. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of the mining. Done now. Then save it as a go to idle. Go to regular view. Delete this gun. Delete these bones. Did I animate? I did. Dang, they're all gone. That sucks. Let me load up back and into open up back to and until using where's my I just added the thing to these. Where are they? I know I did it before too, and they're gone. The fingers. The finger IK setup, right? Well, fuck this. Right, so now let's delete all these stuff for the HUD here. Action. The idle. Actually, I don't even need the idle. This is gonna be a new. Let's save the idle. Let's override it. The heck. Hey. I could reset the whole thing. Right. Alt G, Alt R. Go to new FPS hand. Please. Right, this. And now I'm gonna import my. Oh, need to do two things. First, gotta save. Then we need to load up. Then I'm gonna do the explosive. Tools, explosive. This doesn't need any bones, does it? Let's go back to the player. Oh, I didn't. Sure I did. Something off with this. Oh, right. Insert the keyframe. Then save. Now, and end of the explosive. What? Oops. Problem. Rotate. Made it. Oh, the Alright, let's see the players. Move it up a bit. You rotated a little. The X. Oh, as expensive. So the point is, each tool has their own copy of the hand. Just doing it that way to keep it. Probably bad, but cares if I don't notice anyways. They're going out with it. Alright. So I want the player to do now. I need to fix his fingers though. I'll do that. I'll do it again for a millionth time. And I should have saved it. Gosh. Alright, let's delete this. Back to the right, let's go back to the main one. Do these fingers properly this time. Where even start anything else with that. Bones are gone. Click all there. I still don't get where these are gone to now. Oh, I could probably just transfer them. Just try it and see what happens. They have to be. Oh, it's fine. Not sure if that transferred. It did. So since that worked, let's set these heads up on it. So this one, the rig and pinky are oh no, pinky broke. Ring R go. What's this? Index. Alright. Oh. Those are fine. But there's supposed to be gross space. Relation return. Not these guys are so whoops, found the wrong underpin. Oh, I'm just tripping. Looks rotate. Next. One should be replaced. Added. There's an easy way to copy. I wonder if there is. Hold on, let me try some. First, let's copy. Look, these. Not sure if it's gonna. Then we. didn't know we could share data. Let's see. Right back. I'm gonna go. Alright. Don't think I can hack. Or maybe it's only in edit mode. Go to edit mode. I guess you can only do it with objects. Oh. What I wanted to do is copy the setup from that one bone to all of them. I guess it's have to be separate objects. So continue with this thing. I'm done. Rig is ring finger. This one is not set up right. Looks. Is X R all this setup kind of crazy to me. X2R. Oh, just local now. Bones confirmed. Just grab these. Okay, I missed. Haha, flipping the bird. All these again. Out. Doesn't. Um, 1R and local. R. Oh, you know what I forget? All of them needs to be only X, except the first one. So on all these now, just on X. Oh, it sucks. I wish I could put it like all of them since they're similar options. It's not necessary, but just to help when anime accidentally. Okay, now let's try it. Let's see first. Symmetry. 3. The postman. Good, let's check out the other side. Was nothing. Rotate XX. Full. Alright, now we in business. If alright, so I'm gonna leave that as is and then we can go back to save save this as the new thing. As the okay. Oh, check this thing. I bet it's gone. Alright. Time off this. Okay, so now I save it as the explosive. We can import that explosive. Already have it set up. So mode. Rotate on Z. A. Alright, now let's make sure it's centered. The camera. Way too up in my face. Feel like more. here and rotate it on X. So just gonna put the player hands on it. Oh, you know what? Could parent it. What I mean is, I could, instead of giving it a bone because I want it to stay, just let the player hold it. But I want something to represent it though. Oh, I haven't. Yeah. Same thing as before. Add a bone to this guy. Dang. That wouldn't work. Thinking how I could do this. Right. Add a bone. Root. Could make it be part of the. Yeah, let's make it a part of. Oh shoot. Not like. Dude, come on. Just one piece. This is gonna be the. But. Did you make it? So sorry. By myself, there's not. You don't need anything really. Well, apart from a server when you want to publish again. I could take a break and show you, but I haven't done it forever, so maybe I'll struggle with it. Just like how you maybe are. I don't know. Anyways, let me fix it. So I want this bone to be separate. It was white. It's it's white. Need this to be upright. Grab on. I need to set its roll to be correct. So roll. No roll. Oh, it's kind of. So I should make it be forward. Oh, that's it. If I bring it forward like that, upside down. And you make me feel like checking right now. I haven't messed with some programming code now. Network code. Alright. I could maybe. Oh. Alright, I could do this and then roll it. Oh. Alright, so this is gonna be the bone for the let's rename it to Blues. I'm actually dumb. I need it to be like over here in the hands. So like right there. And the child of the wrist. This guy. Way wrong. Ah, come on. Make parent. Then, oh right, in the constraint, child of rig. What did I call it? Explosive parent. First. Okay. Now we need both hands to be forward facing. Going to close mode. Yeah. It is. The whole time it is. Here it is. It works. Some reason it's not. Did I break? Okay, there's something wrong with Blender. It keeps breaking stuff. Where's the IK is gone? Oh, I think I know why. When I do bake and have it clearing constraints and stuff. So technically it's a constraint. Well, it is a constraint. Great. Oh man, I gotta put it on back. Where is it? IK. I want to IK again. Oh, wrong thing. Inverse schematic. And oh no, rig. And IK. Oh, I had IK on. I don't know what happened to it. Full targets, rig. No. 2. And then rotate this 180. Here's the target back here that I had the whole time. Don't know why that was doing that, but oh, it's not 180, it's 90. Go back on. He's fancy. Negative 90. Right back. Yeah, that bake messed up everything that I was doing. I just realized that. So, note to self, don't bake animations. I may do the same thing with. Oh, I could just go here. I think that would fix it. Nope, it did. Wow, it got rid of them. Well, that's not good. Oh well. What was my target again? And our full target is target. Two. My pole's back here. Okay, so I have to set this guy up a bit. I'm gonna fix this. Let's see. What if I remove it first? String. Temporarily. I'm gonna see if it works with after I set it up. Rotate this here. Tell it to copy my rotation. Oh, some bones are messed up. Oh, so no local with parent. These are the ones rotating locals. Dang it. R. Oh, I think there's replace. Hey, Ben. What's the bend? Oh, right. URL space? Local. Definitely. What is on with this? Alright, let me set this up before I go crazy. It good. Oh, let me put wasn't reacting. I need to fix those. I should just copy the rotation of this instead of trying to do two things at the same time. I could use this and rotate this, but then this just copies. Yeah, let's try that. Rotation of the hand-eye key. Hand-eye key. Try the L. Replace row switch. What's its current rotation? What is going on with this? This is copying something, but yes. Oh, have to. Okay, so they're the local. Okay, so it's just the first one should be local repair. But we should do this. That makes zero sense. Alright, let me change that back. Yeah. Alright. I gotta do the same thing over there again. This copy road. Big Honda K R replace. Oh, I just need to fix it. Oh. Those fingers are going crazy. It's mining in space. So this is a bomb that you stick on asteroids. Just animating that like different with it while holding it. Let's see if this work. Rotate on that. Galactic? No, not like that. It's a different type again. Do you know what's it called? Something Shipbreaker? It's a game about breaking down ships. Something similar to that. It's just focused on mining though. Like that game's focused on breaking ships. That's the idea behind it. But you fly a ship around too, so. Oh. On that. But it's looking rendered. Probably should just stick it on something first before I started. Like this supposed to be parented. Oh, let me fix these fingers. That's going haywire. So this should be local parent, I think. Actually, let's start from the bottom. First one should be local parent, or local space. And this one should parent. Oh, full space and local. Oh shoot. Hard spaceship breaker. Yep, you're right. Yeah. So that's the kind of the inspiration, but it's a completely different type of thing. In space, mining. So the game is that you work for a company, like a mining company, and you are basically getting stuff for people. Alright, something wrong with these. First one's good, but the second one is local. Keep messing these up. Last one should this and I don't know why I keep messing these up. One should be local. Well, alright. Let's rotate this guy. Let's see how I look in first person mode. Color this so when it looks. So grab this guy. Looks half decent, right? Oh wait, rotate. Rotate it. Close these. Alright, that looks alright. Insert all the keyframes for these. Alright, this is gonna be where the problem is. This guy should be like right here. But the problem is figuring out how I'm gonna make it hold it. Like be in the right spot when I'm rendering. It's fine. I could figure it out. Because Godot has the bone attachment that I could offset and all. But need to roll this somehow. Or it should be. Yeah, I shouldn't move this bone in terms of rotation. I want to make sure it's completely static. But moves with the hand up. This. It'll insert all the keyframes. Okay. Now we're up something. So we go to frame. Insert another keyframe again. Just do a little bob at 24. Can do this. I don't know. Just maybe like that. Right. Insert all those in. Alright, so now I could parent this guy here. So let's alt tab out this. This guy back to constraint. Child off. Explosive. What I'm talking about? No, first. No, it should be. Yeah, looking first person. Is it a bit too much? Or I could delay it maybe. These guys move back up. Yeah, it's a bit much. So let me grab on Z. About there. Now let's see that in a custom. Build all the fluff. So this is gonna be a screen with a viewport on it. You could type in stuff on it. So I wanna make it custom so you could put your own timer. Like you could put up to like 2 minutes or maybe 30 seconds. Like a whole dial thing. A start and stop button. The hand's a bit off, is it? Yeah, it is. So I could always. What I'm saying is, since I have this now, let's save this. And I want him to set it too, so he'll put his hand forward. I could do that later. So let's come on here. Then we could look at the tools. Explosive. There's a loop. Remember, this thing is not gonna actually move. It's gonna look weird. What I have to do now is let's instance this. Then go to animation player and it looks. I did not open. I just said. Weird. Alright, let's play it again. Alright, so what I need to do now is just add a. Where is it? Attachment. Attachment. Then we'll get rid of this one somehow. I'll probably not import that. This guy grab the explosive itself. Just use the bind file for now. Just realized I actually. Oh, I didn't say this. So what did I call it? Explosive. This guy. Explosive. Explosive parent. Alright, now we got some. Just have to adjust it now. The reason I'm doing it like this is because I want to unparent it whenever the player places it. So this guy, let's adjust his position. Rotation. Okay. And position again. Yeah, that play. Alright, but that would come and haunt me. You guys get the idea, right? Oh, there. You know what? I'm gonna save this because I don't have to readjust. You see, weapon using. What's the view? Oh, how do I do it? I'm sorry, I just noticed. I wasn't looking. The way I have it, you have to set it up in the editor settings. Let me show you. Here, look for, I think it's Port Blender 3 palette. That's pretty much it. As long as you have the path here, it imports blend files. But you could always change the settings whenever you want. So let's go on one, for example. It's gonna blend explosive, import settings. You have the same settings over here. You could tell its root type, whatever. Could add a script to it. Name and version, GLTF, all the goodies. These are mostly the same stuff you see when you open it, but there's other things like there's a part where you could only import selected, I think. Import, like you could import it by collections. Alright, you see this little thing here on the player, the reticle. I think I could could either go inside here and just disable it, but not that, but go back to it. Yeah, like then a reference, that's this. Could skip that. Then I think you know that already, but I mean, like, there's a section to. Oh, here's a section for modifiers as well. Where is it? I just skipped past. Oh, here it is. Modifiers. Oh, here it is. Renderable only, visible only, stuff like that. These are all from Blender, right? Alright, let's go back to this guy. Oh, look at it. This is a rigid body, by the way. I plan to have it I don't know if it's better, but I'm tired. You like playing some games though. That one. Yeah, so I need to place it now. So I want the player to like lift his hands up and push forward. That shouldn't be hard. Could just copy this idle pose. Let's make a new one and call it place. Change this. Man, Blender can be overwhelming sometimes. There's so much windows, I keep forgetting what I just closed and what I have open. I swear I had it open. Oh, it's down here. You see what I'm talking about? Dang it. Alright, let me get rid of this one. Or change this back to my. I didn't see that for a second. Alright, so I need to duplicate this guy and call this place. Placing. Then I could delete this one. This one. You watch tutorial how to make multiplayer and multiplayer game. Ask me about multiplayer. I'm not that good at multiplayer, brother. I never. I think I have a project, but I would have to search for it. Let me help you out. Here's my GitHub codes. Put that. Where is it? My code. Oh, here it is. The system. Let's open up a different project. Oh, not that GitHub. I'm not sure if this is updated or not because it have been updated a couple of times. Did that even do anything? Hold on, let me check the code. Okay, yeah, this looks about the same. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We have one small issue. I can't show you this on screen. Hold on, let me double check. I'll make sure my IP isn't in here. Okay, I don't see it anywhere. Okay, that's good. Description keys. I have to make sure of it. Okay. Alright. So I don't even know how to explain this, man. I know this is where you get your IP address from. Are you in my Discord by any chance, Ambo? I could send this project to you if you want. Let's see if it works when I run it. Don't think it works, but there's nothing. Oh, I do run. None of them works. I don't think this works anymore. This is old code, man. Let me tell you when I did this. Let me open the folder. Dude, last time I looked at March 2023. Jesus, that's way outdated now. That's the last time I opened this thing. Oh no, you creative. I was talking about Abo. I know you. I was just talking. I texted you before I streamed. Message. Asking about the multiplayer stuff. So I got this code here, but I think it's outdated now. Decrypt addressed and all that stuff. I have an encryptor and all that stuff here. Could set this stuff. I don't call any. I haven't looked at this in forever. There's another one too, but pretty sure that one has my IP somewhere in there. I was testing. It's not really my IP address. It's just a local. Everybody knows that one. 127001. It's not my actual IP, but this where is it? PMP setup. This is actually the thing to get your actual IP address, to share it with other people. Here's your external address. I don't want to get into this too much, because my brain is not ready. Not ready. But okay. This guy. Oh, you send it to him. Thanks. I just realized what you meant. Let me pop him open. Oh, my Discord was closed for some reason. Message request. Is that you or well, who's Quinn Jr.? Oh, that's 2 days ago. Never mind. Wait, that's 2 days. I'm confused with this. Oh, I have a mutual server. Okay, I'll accept. We're on the same Godot jams. I guess it's from YouTube. Alrighty. Okay, so go for. Okay, let me do the placing animation. Right around 20, or let's put it at 30 here. So I want to grab his both hands. Then let's go to side view. And go like this. Grab out a bit like that. And rotate. So I want to do like that. Insert those frames. I want him to come in a bit with it though. Like, let's grab both of these ones again. Maybe come down like this. Then put it up. There you go. That looks more believable, I guess. Then I want him to take his hands off. That's gonna be the tricky part. How am I gonna do that? I mean, since this is just a visual, I could maybe disable it after and then replace it with the one that I'm putting there with the actual guys. And if I'm explaining that right. Yeah, so right around this point maybe. Oh wait, I need to duplicate this. Whoops. Paste. Place it and bring his hands down. So right around here. Let's do this now. Interesting. On one hand to come down first or the other. I'm gonna do like this. Let's pull it away. Let's open his fingers too. It looks smart. Rotate on X. Grab all these and rotate on X. Then pull it back. Down. Oh, and insert a frame for that one. The whole thing actually. That looks. That would be messy. Hold on, let me put his hands back up. His hands didn't open yet there. Alright, let's put his hands right back there. Yeah, let's insert this from here. Then we'll pull it back. Those keyframes. a bit quick, but that's kind of weird, right? Maybe if I get rid of this. Oh, I should pull it backwards instead of out. Let's put it back here so it looks pulling my hand away towards myself. There you go. Who cares really, right? I'm just placing it. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. I wanna do the same thing with the next hand, but at a offset. So for example, let's say right here, of this one. Let's copy this. Actually, no, I can't copy it. Just have to do it manually. It's holding that for a while. And right here now, I want to pull off these fingers. So 1, 2, 3. Rotate X. Pull it back as well. So this is gonna be the problem here. Remember, this is a bone, so whenever I place it, I'm gonna unparent it from the bone in Godot itself. That's gonna be the weird workaround. So for now, I could actually just remove the constraint, but it wouldn't make sense. And let's just move away my hand like this. That should be. Here, location. Oh, that's happened way too fast. Or it shouldn't happen yet. That's dumb. So all of these bones I need to unselect and delete the frames for them. Here. Delete. Let's go back to, oh yeah, it's fine. Let's play it again. The hand went back way too fast, didn't it? Alright, let me zoom like all. It's fine. I like the delay though. Oh, I didn't open my fingers. Go right around. Insert another. Oops. Oh shoot. Not that key. I just need this side. All of these here. You know what I could do? Do I unparent this bone actually? Oh, I could just copy it. So right here. This bone, may delete that, and this one. What that is, can't delete. I need to duplicate this. So copy and paste it at the end. And delete that for some reason. I guess. Huh. Version parent location does not change the whole time. Weird. It's not that important, right? Right here, instead of moving down, at this side. Get this. Go E and right here, instead of doing this, do this first. This bone doesn't want to pretend it's staying here. Alright, then I could fingers. Get an X. Up this. Insert all those frames for that side. Right, now I could move this bit. Let's see how that looks. Up. Alright, I guess. Oh man. You know what I could just do? Just duplicate this guy. And it's actually. Or unparent it. I do that instead. That's more problems though. Remember, right around here, I'm gonna deactivate whatever is on the bone. So you're gonna see it, but no. I mean, I could make my life easier and just make it be like a duplicate, so the player see when it gets placed. That makes sense. But you'll have one on the asteroid and one in your hand again. You have multiple. I think that's how games normally do it, right? Save the headache. So you could just place it, and you just see it pop up there. I think even Call of Duty does that with C4s and stuff. You just place one and you still have another one in your hand. So I could just do this animation here. Oh no. Gotta duplicate this. Alright, let me save myself the trouble. Copy this. Paste it. Oh wait, no. Copy. That. Then here. Then I could copy this one. Paste that. So I place it and then go back down. Out a bit. So then it would just pop up on the asteroid. Save myself the trouble. Save this. Alright, let's see how island placing. That's all I need. And I need a walk too, but basically idle again. Let's do that. Oh dang, it's almost 5. Wanna jump off now, but let me do the walking first. Walking. Give it. Ah, I could just copy this one. Here. This. One more. I want this side to shift left. Grab on that. That done. Left, right, left. Copy. Need the last those 6. And 1. Left. Up. It could just be these 4. Looks like. Oh, it's perfect. Look at it. This thing. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump off for today. Thanks for watching. Good though. Clear view. Title. Placing of walking. Nice. Alright. Take care, guys. See you all in a bit. Oh, why is it saying I'm online? Oh, on YouTube. Okay. Didn't know that shows that. Oh. Laters.